Welcome back everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's get started with our first challenge, level 0. The description for level 0 indicates that we should use the SSH command to connect to the bandit.labs.overthewire.org host on port 2220. Both our username and our password is bandit0. For whom some of these terms might not be familiar yet, let me explain. SSH is a way of connecting to a remote server where the challenge is hosted. In this case, we want to connect to the OverTheWire server. The server has multiple ports which act as gateways to that server. Ports can be closed or open. If you want to know more about a specific command like SSH, the manual pages provide great insight. For this level, we'll make use of this to determine how to specify our port number. So let's get started. For SSH, if we don't explicitly tell it which port to use, it will connect to port 22. So in our case, we'll need to change this. To access the manual pages, we type man and the command we want to use, in our case, SSH. We are searching for the port option. So let's scroll. These are all the possible options you can specify. In our case, we'll only need one. And here you have it, the port option. Now, to exit the manual pages, type Q. If you'd like me to make a video on how to effectively use the manual pages for any command, please leave a comment down below. Let's begin. We type our command, our username, in our case bandit0, at our host or server name, and we specify our port number, which, as you have seen, we can do by specifying the -p option, port 2220, enter our password, also bandit0, and we logged in successfully. Now we'll actually solve level 0. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password that is stored in a file called readme located in the home directory. Currently we are already in the home directory, but if you weren't, you can change to it by using the change directory command and tilde, which is short for home directory. To list all the files in our directory, we will make use of the ls command. Again, if you want to know more about the ls command, type man ls and you'll have all the information. To read the file, we can use any number of ways, but the easiest for short files is to use the cat command. Now we'll use this as the password to log into level 1 and check if we solved level 0 correctly. So first, we'll have to log out of level 0. To do this, we can type either logout, exit, or Ctrl-D. The same way we logged into level 0, we'll log into level 1. So our username will change from bandit0 to bandit1, but the host and port number will stay the same. We copy our password we obtained, paste it, and we're in. Now, to register our completion of level 0, we will type the reachal command. Remember, in our previous video when we created an account, we now want to sync our account with our achievements. Everything synced? Let's check the retail site. We update. And there you have it. We solved our first challenge. Congratulations on completing this level. You rock. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to show your support, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.